Hi, welcome. Let me show you the Myl AI platform. So I can see here that my company has created 15 applications. There are a bunch of these applications, for example, HRMS portal, where I'm seeing some highlights. There is some recent activity. There are some recent collaborations where I'm working with my colleagues on creating new applications or upgrades to existing applications. Now let's go create a new app. So when it comes to Myl AI, I can create two kinds of applications. I can either automate some workflows or I can create measure and manage applications.
Okay, let's start trying out something in the human resources space. Okay, what is your role? How are you involved? I'm just going to say senior HRPP. Hope it gets that. Thank you. Is it about reducing manual work, improving communication, ensuring? Okay, I'm interested in keeping leave management and tracking to be in a good place. Lack of tools integration, lack of tools for sure. Spreadsheets, we do have complex HR system that we are finding difficult to use. Let's keep it simple. Just me for now. I'm not looking for any collaboration, but I can pull in some people to help me out in a bit. Okay, so it's captured my problem. It's looked at some existing systems. It's captured some constraints, and let's see what it can do. Okay, so it looks like it's spent time writing up detailed use cases for employee registration and onboarding, employee management. Let's just expand all so that we can see everything together. Let's go look at the detailed design. Yeah, I was interested in leave management. Let's just quickly look at this. Employee submits leave request, manager approves leave, manager rejects leave, leave upload, employee cancels leave. Maybe this situation, I just want to check if one of my colleagues can give me some pointers on this. Start a collaboration with them. I can track my collaboration here. So I don't need to wait for him to come back. Let's just go build it out. I think there is functional requirements where it talks about access, and we'll take care of that later. Cool. So now it's started. My life system has started building out the entire application. It's looking at, so built it out, tested it, ran some security scans, and created some documentation that I can refer to. Uh, Even prepared some training material, which is very useful for me. Okay, let's start using the app now.
We'll take a look at the employee view of the HRMS and leave management system. So we have the employee logging in, and as you can see, they have a few different options on the left side. They have an employee listing screen in which they can see a list of their colleagues. Because they are a regular employee, they cannot create a new employee or edit existing employees. We will first look at the leave request option. The employee sees a dashboard of their available leaves, and they have the ability to submit a new leave request. You can go in, put in the dates, and you have the ability to either save or submit right away. I'm going to go ahead and save that request. Takes me back to the dashboard where I can see my draft request. I can then either cancel the request or I can edit it. I'm going to edit it and change the number of days to just 2 days, and then go ahead and submit my leave request. Let's see how the manager's view of the system looks like. I see two links on the left. I see the employee list and I see the leave request section. When I go to the employee list, I can see a list of my colleagues. Since I'm not an HR person, I still cannot create a new employee or edit any of the employee details. When I go to the leave request section, I see two tabs. The first shows me all the actions that are pending for me, and the second lists all my own leave requests. When I want to manage my actions, I can choose a leave request submitted by my team member, and I can reject the leave request with an appropriate reason, or I can choose to go ahead and accept it. The view displays pending actions, and I can use the filter to clear it and show all actions that I've taken so far. We'll now look at the HR employees view of the system. Once they log in, they see the same options the other employees do. When they go to the employee listing screen, in addition to just the listing, they are able to edit or remove employees. They also have the ability to create new employees. When we create a new employee, we also have to assign a manager to the employee.